everyone, this is Parikshit Deshmukh, student of Geotech GIS Training Institute, Aurangabad, um, from batch 2019 to 2020. This has honestly been a best experience of my educational life. There is a very supportive team of faculties and they go above and beyond to the student of achieve their full potential. Institute provide the modern learning methodology including smart class, live lecture and e-learning materials. Geotech assure the 100% placement and ample to opportunity for career advancement across to the country and overseas. Best infrastructure with a clean and comfortable classroom we experience in this organization. I am very glad to be a part of Geotech. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kunal Chapre. I completed my post-graduation degree in geology subject. Then I met with Mr. Aniket Borgaonkar sir, the founder of Geotech GIS Training Institute. He suggested me to do post-graduation diploma in GIS and remote sensing. And the main thing is that in the first meeting, he gave me the assurity of job in MNC. And actually he did it, what he said. I got job before the completion of my post-graduation diploma. I completed my post-graduation diploma in April 2019, but I got job in February 2019 in Genesis International Corporation Limited, Mumbai, with the package of 2.2 lakh per annum, and I am still working in it. I also want to thank our friendly teaching staff, Mr. Vikas sir and Ms. Shivali ma'am, for the great support. If you also want to make your future bright, I must say join Geotech GIS Training Institute. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Sheikh Mohammad Hamad from Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. Here at this platform, I would like to share my journey that I started with Geotech Institute, Aurangabad. I completed my masters in geology and was eagerly looking for quick career options available. I got reminder of Aniket Borgaonkar sir, our faculty of Post-Graduation Institute and the director of Geotech Institute, Aurangabad. I approached sir and got complete details of the institute and the course that they have. From a variety of courses starting from basics to advanced PG, I choose PG as I found it very useful for my career. I here learn out the required advancement of much needed training in the competitive environment which I never got in my regular curriculum. Our directors sir arrange placements and many other job fairs from various MNCs and government sectors, and thankfully I got selected in Pokhara project in GSDA Aurangabad as a hydrogeologist. It was a government undertaking project of Maharashtra. The practical knowledge got in institute helped me a lot. Wherever I go, I found my teachings at Geotech very useful as it is of my subject, practical, theory, along with the other personality development. Surely it was my life-changing decision. Here at this moment for students, I confidently recommend Geotech Institute for your career boosting opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kalyani Ingre, student passed out from the batch 2017-18 Geotech GIS Training Institute, Aurangabad. I owe my gratitude to the entire faculty of Geotech. It was a great experience to be the student of this firm and as well as an employee. Geotech not only provides training regarding GIS and remote sensing, but also it develops a student in overall manner, and it provides ample of opportunities of placement across the country as well as overseas. I had a great experience and completely satisfied with the training provided and the placement. It feels good to be the part of Geotech GIS Training Institute. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ankita Gurji. I am from Amravati and working at Genesis International, Mumbai, last from 2 years. I have done a PG diploma in GIS and remote sensing from Geotech Institute, Aurangabad after MSc. The Geotech Institute is one of the best institute in Maharashtra. In this institute, I learn all of subject in very easy method. I learn lots of tricks about GIS and remote sensing from every teacher. Teacher staff also very helpful. They help time to time, and they provide all the good facilities every day.
It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this completion of one-week training program. I, on behalf of Geotech GIS Training Institute and Consultancy Services, extend a deep sense of appreciation for Mr. Vikas Kahamwe sir for his great work. I also wish to express my gratitude to our Managing Director, Mr. Aniket Burgaokar sir, for providing encouragement and support and giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I heartily congratulate all the participants for their active participation in this event throughout India and abroad, as no program can become successful with a single person. So I extend my big thanks to our Geotech organization for their support. Thank you guys for making this event successful with your contribution. Once again, I thank you for your cordial cooperation. Thank you.